Continuing our journey from Tangtse and Changla Pass, we had our lunch at UPSHI village and then we continued towards Chumathang. Distance between UPSHI and Chumathang is around 90 kilometers. Our plan was to visit HANLE and Tso Moriri Lake the next day. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you will be notified of the videos that I upload. Do check out all the videos of this Winter Ladakh 2021 series and other travel videos as well that I have uploaded. On the way to Chumathang, both mine and Chaitra's health started deteriorating a bit, and we presume it had got to do something with the food we had at UPSHI. Chumathang is famous for its hot sulphur springs that bubble from the ground near the banks of ice-cold Indus River. If you are on the way to HANLE or Tso Moriri Lake, you can take a break at Chumathang as there are a couple of good guest houses available here. Here you can take a break and enjoy a hot water bath from the water directly provided through the hot springs.